Welcome to the video tutorials for configuring Genlab ovens, incubators and drying cabinets. Our latest touchscreen control offers accurate and easy to operate features, and this video is one of a variety of tutorial videos that can be found online at www.genlab.co.uk/videos. This chapter is on how to change the door handle. Door handles are consumable oven parts that can be bought online at the replacement parts section of the Genlab website. These handles are manufacturer approved, and we do not recommend using other similar items as they could potentially make the oven unsafe. It is important to note that some replacement parts, such as elements or temperature controllers, require engineers, and Genlab have a network of service engineers that are available to help. You will require a flat-headed screwdriver, gloves, a 10mm box spanner, and the replacement handle. Use the flat-headed screwdriver to gently prise a gap in between the existing rubber seal and the door plate. Lever the screwdriver under the door plate, lift it up, and then pop it out of the seal and remove it. Putting on rubber gloves, carefully pull the lagging away from the bolts underneath. Using the 10mm box spanner, undo the bolts that fasten the handle to the door. Take the replacement handle and present it to the door and push through one of the bolts on the other side. Fasten the first bolt and then repeat this process on the second bolt. Once again, using rubber gloves, put the lugging back into place over the top of the bolts and smooth it all back down into its original position. Put the door plate back into the seal at an angle and then push one side firmly into place. Gently work round the door, pulling the edges of the seal so that the door plate is seated back into it. Once the seal is all seated correctly, the door can now be secured back into the unit. We hope you found this video useful. Please see our other chapters offering advice on the following functions at www.genlab.co.uk/videos.